Okay, good morning, student. Um, Yesterday we have started a geometry paper that we will continue. Question number 3A. Okay, question number 3A. First diagram is given. A, B, C. X and Y. What is given? XY is parallel to BC. And what is given? 2AX is equal to 3BX. And XY is equal to 9 centimeter. Find BC. In triangle ABC, XY parallel to BC. Therefore, in triangle AXY and triangle ABC, or you can take ABC and AXY, bigger, smaller. Angle A congruent to angle A, common. And second number, angle B congruent to angle AXY, alternate angle. Because parallel it is given. Therefore, triangle ABC, similar triangle AXY. By AA test. Therefore, AB BC is equal to AX XY. Sides are in proportion of two similar triangles. Now, AB is made up of what? AB is AX plus XB. BC not given. AB is equal to AX plus XB. Now, XB XB is equal to 2/3 of AX divided by AX is equal to BC by 9. So 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3, AX divided by AX is equal to BC by 9. AX cancel, so 5 by 3 is equal to BC by 9. Here also you can cut 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. BC is equal to 15. Next question. Parallel given, ratio is given, one side is given. In this triangle, AX is equal to AX parallel to BC. Therefore, A is common. These are alternate because F you can see. So both the triangles similar by AA test. Then first, second, second, third. First, second, second, third. Now AB is made up of AX, XB. AX, AX same as it is. But XB is what? 2AX by 3. 2AX by 3. 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. AX, 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 X cancel. 5 by 3 is equal to BC by 9 because this XY is equal to given 9. You can do 9 5s are 45 divided by 3 also. You can get same answer. Denominator, denominator, no need to cancel. Numerator, numerator, no need to cancel. Okay. Next. This is a very good example. They have given this and this are parallel. EF, EF, GH. It is given. EF parallel to GH given. To prove that chord EH congruent to chord FG. Construction. Any this or this. I'll take this. EG. So these and these are equal. So solution part number 1, EF parallel to GH given. Both are parallel. This is construction. So these two angles are also equal, congruent. Angle FEG FEG EGH or HGE, alternate angle. If inscribed angle are equal, chords are arcs are congruent. So arcs FG congruent arc EH from inscribed angle theorem. If inscribed angles are congruent, then arcs are congruent, and if arcs are congruent, inscribed angle are congruent, and if arcs are congruent, chords are congruent. If arcs are congruent, then chords are congruent. Then construction type. Triangle RST, similar triangle XYZ. RS is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Angle RST is equal to 40 degree and ST is equal to 5.7 centimeter. To construct RST and XYZ both, when RS by XY is equal to 3 by 5. Now start calculation. if triangle RST is similar triangle XYZ, so RS, ST, TR, first, second, second, third, third, first, first, second, second, third, third, first, XY, YZ, ZX. This ratio given 3/5. ST is given 5.7 by YZ. This is given here. SR is given, that is 4.5, and XY is the question. Now I will take this as a cross product. So XY 4.5 into 5 divided by 3, 15 za 15 5 are 75, 7.5 centimeter. And now I will take this as a cross product. So YZ is equal to 5.7 into 5 divided by 3, 1.9. So 190 divided by 2, 200 less 10, 100 less 5, so 95. Now, for triangle X, Y, Z, what we got? XY we got 7.5 centimeter. We got YZ 9.5 centimeter. S angle, second one. So Y angle is 40. Angle S is equal to angle Y is equal to 40 degree. Now first draw rough diagram. YZ 9.5, angle Y 40 degree. Then Y2X 7.5, then join this. Like this we have to construct. So take YZ 9.5 centimeter. Then at Y take 40 angle long, 40 degree. Then Y2X from here cut 7.5. This is your X joined with both you have to draw, but the which side we have found that I have drawn. First also, for example, ABC, RST. So which angle is given? R given 40. And among that, which is the longest? S given S. Among S, which is longest? ST 5.7, 4.5. So ST 5.7, from here 40 degree, from here 4.5 R. Both the triangle you have to draw, which overall information given, and from that information, by the similarity, you got the information of another triangle. Then two sums are very interesting and important. it is given 5 sin theta minus 12 cos theta is equal to 0. Three B 2 5 sin theta minus 12 cos theta is equal to 0. Find sec cosec. So 5 sin theta is equal to 12 cos theta. Now sin will be here. Remove this. So cos theta. 12 will be here. Move this. So 5. So sin by cos. Now it is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 12 by 15. Tan is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. So opposite 12. This is 5. This is question. So it is 12 square plus 5 square is equal to AC square, means hypotenuse square. So it is 144 plus 25 is equal to AC square. So 169 is equal to AC square. So AC is equal to 13. Now we want sec theta. Sec theta, cosec theta. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. This is hypotenuse by opposite. So hypotenuse 13, adjacent 5, 13 by 5, 13 by 12. So indirectly they have given only one ratio. When one ratio is given, means two sides of right angle triangle is given. Substitute in that according to opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. By Pythagoras, find third. If you will get all three side, any ratio by formula you can write. Again, here they have given indirect one ratio. 5 sin minus 12 cos is equal to 0. So I have taken sin by cos, I have taken 12 by 5. So this is a single ratio, tan theta. Means two sides of the triangle given. Substitute in the right angle triangle. Find out third by Pythagoras. Now you have all three sides. From that, by formula, try to find any ratio. Red is, I think, not visible, no? Okay. A, C, B, D. BD is 3 times of CD. Prove that to prove that 2AB square 2AC square, this we have to prove. CD is equal to X first. DB is equal to 3CD is equal to 3X. Third, CD plus DB is equal to BC. So BC is equal to CDX, DB 3x is equal to 4x. Next, this is considered, this is substituting this addition of segment, substituting. Now AB square, AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square. In right angle triangle ABD. Now 6 AB square same. Now AD square is equal to AC square minus CB square. What we have taken? We have taken AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. Now 7 AB square, AC will be the same because we want. CD, it is x square only. BD means 3x square only by substituting. This is the best method. Okay, don't substitute segment inside. AC will be the same. 3 3s are 9. Simplify. 9x square minus 1x square plus 8x square. Now we want 2, so multiply all by 2. 2ab square 2ac square plus 16x square. So 11. This is simplify. This is also multiply by 2. Now this ab square 2ac square 4x total square. So 4x is what? BC. So BC square 2AC square 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square, hence proof. Okay. 16x square is equal to 4x all square and 4x is equal to substituting BC. See, like that, by substituting very easily in x way, no, these 3 steps are very important. If you will do by this, this is x, this is 3 times, so 3x, so total is 4x. Now question number 4a1. 10a divided by 1 plus 10 square a square plus same cot a divided by 1 plus cot square a. This we have to prove is equal to sin theta dot cos theta. So we know that 1 plus 10 square a is equal to sec square a, and 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. So substitute 10a divided by sec square a. Sec square a plus cot a divided by cosec square a. 10 is equal to what? Sin a by cos a. Sec square is equal to 1 by cos square. Cos a sin a divided by 1 by sin a, right, 2 times. This also 2 times. Now 1 time denominator cancel. 1 time denominator cancel. Now if you will invert, so this will goes up. So sin a cos a. This will also go up. So cos a dot sin a. So 2 times sin a dot cos a. Again, what I have did see, 10 divided by 1 plus 10 square of square. This is square. So of this square, of this square. So this will be raised to 4. Sorry, this will be also raised to 4. So when it goes upside, it is sin a dot 1 cancel, so it is cos a cube. Similarly, cos a dot sin cube a. 1 time it is cancelled, so it will be 3 power. 1 time it is cancelled, 3 power. Sin into cos raised to 3, cos into sin raised to 3. Now take sin cos common. Sin a dot cos a. It will be cos square a plus sin square a. This will be 1. So it is sin theta dot cos theta. Sin a cos. Here the reason I have written. Correct. Now that 1 plus sin square sec square, 1 plus cos square cosec square. Now here sec is equal to sec a is equal to 1 by cos square, and the cos a is equal to 1 by sin square. Then here I have taken sin theta cos theta, sin a cos a common. Then here I have substituted sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So every time what you are substituting in trigonometrical ratio, that you have to mention that which conversion have you got by substitution of what. Basically there are formulas, main 3 identities: sin square plus cos square is equal to 1, 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square, 1 plus cot square is equal to cosec square. Pratiksha, how many minutes remain, beta? Pratiksha.
4 minutes, sir.
Very good. So I can complete one theorem. See, this is a revision. So in a point, I will explain that very good. This theorem. It is given A, B, C, P, Q, R. Given triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. To prove that area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB, BC, CA divided by PQ, QR, RS. If two triangles are similar, the ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of square of respective side. This we have to prove. That we will complete in 3 parts. Part number 1, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR given. Therefore, AB, BC, CA, PQ, QR, RP. Because ABC similar triangle PQR. Second, construct this. This is already equal. This is second equal. This is third equal. Automatic. So in triangle ABM and triangle PQN, angle B congruent to angle Q, congruent angle of similar triangle. CAST, congruent angle of similar triangle. Then AMB congruent to angle PNQ. Each 90. Therefore, two triangles again similar. ABM, similar triangle PQN by AA test. This full triangle are given similar. So write the ratio in proportion. And rest of left part or right part you prove similar by AA test. Then again write the first, second, third, third, first. First, second, third, third, first. AB, BM, MA. PQ, QN, NP. Two triangles are similar. Now come to the point. We want area of triangle ABC. We want triangle want area of triangle PQR. That is half base BC, height AM, half QR, PN. This cancel. BCQR. BCQR is equal to ABPQ. AMPN, AMPN, ABPQ. From first and second substitution, both are ABPQ, ABPQ. So it is a square.